it's me, Ariella. And yeah, hi, it's me. And these are Casper and Ghost, because I'm alone. So this is my first real life video. So yeah, I'm gonna make a cooking video today because I'm hungry and I'm not allowed to use a stove, but I am allowed to use this little oven here. It's not an actual stove, it's a microwave. So okay, so today I'm gonna show you how to make my favorite oatmeal and my favorite pizza. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Wait, let me put the ingredients. Oh god. Let me put the ingredients right here. Okay, I think that's enough for you. So we're on to the pizza portion right now. Okay, yeah. So on the pizza portion, so you're gonna need 2 pieces of bread, a glass or a rolling pin if you have one. Couldn't be me though. Spoon. I'm personally using a chopping board because I don't want to use a plate. And some butter. So you're gonna grab 2 pieces of bread. And you see the little butt part? I like to cut that off. So I'm just gonna try to do something with it today. I'm gonna try to make like kind of like breadsticks or something. I don't know. I'm just gonna try to do something, but I don't think I could do that with the microwave. I'm gonna do it with the oven. So, but if you have a microwave oven, it's even better. You could do the rest of the video. Okay, have it, and then you're just gonna kind of like grab it, and you choose which one you want to overlap so that it could kind of like melt together. So look, this is how it's supposed to look, and then you just lie it down on any surface. I'm personally using a chopping board. Overlap it. Hold on, let me show you what I'm talking about. I don't know if you can see it. Can you? Oh. Like that. I'm new to this whole thing. Like, leave me alone. Okay, so now you're just gonna grab your glass or your rolling pin, and you're just gonna flatten it out. I'm gonna show you how it's supposed to look. Hold on, let me show you how. I'm gonna try to show you the motions I'm doing so you can see. And make sure that you focus on the middle a lot so that you can really flatten it down and then melts together. Well, not melt, but like combines together, I guess. I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna continue to flatten out the rest now because I'm done with the middle part. Sometimes you could go in with your hand and just flatten it down at the end, but you really need to use a glass or a rolling pin first, and then to get it extra, just use your hand. Okay. So now, grab some butter. You don't need that much, honestly. I'm just eyeballing it. Don't use too much, because then it's gonna be really greasy. It's not a vibe. But grab just enough so you can cover the whole thing. I know it's kind of like not really like, good to eyeball it or make a cooking video and not even know what you're doing. But I do know what I'm doing. I've done this a lot of times, but like, you know. Okay. So now I'm just gonna rub the butter onto the bread. But either way, sometimes like tomato sauce and cheese will cover up things. Oh yeah, also you don't really need tomato sauce. You could literally just have like salsa, I guess. I don't think that. Never mind. You need tomato sauce. I'm not even trying to justify anything. Okay. So, I personally, I'm going to be using my microwavable oven. But if you're going to be using a microwave, you need to put the bread in for 2 minutes, no less and no more. Okay? So I'm just gonna grab a plate, put it in, and for me, I'm gonna use my oven for the first time ever. So, wish me luck. Okay. Oh no. Alright. I need to use some aluminum foil. Is it bad that I kind of forgot how to make oatmeal because I don't touch them anymore? I'll figure it out. Okay, now I'm just gonna. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay. Microwavable oven, set it down in there, and you close it obviously. I'm gonna turn on the lights so you can see it. And you're gonna put it on toast. What is she? Sleeping on a Sunday. Uh-oh. You know we can pull it from the window pane. Could save our energy for harder days. I'm just gonna set it for Monday. Can we just stay and watch the world Sunday? When nobody's waiting. I mean, appreciate it. Let me show you what mine looks like. So I'm gonna post that. I need to connect the things. I need to disconnect my charger. What did I do? Okay, yeah. That's cooking. I'll see you when it's done. Oh, wrong way. Boom. 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 Oatmeal. 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 Okay. So first you're gonna grab a microwavable safe bowl because I don't want you guys burning your house down. And you're gonna have some measuring cups, or you could just eyeball it. That's fine too. And okay. So I'm gonna do 2 half cups of oatmeal. Okay, I don't. Alright, hold on. Right about now, I'm thinking 1 is good. Yeah. Okay, so 1/2 of oatmeal. $125 milliliters. And then I think you need to grab 1 cup and 1/4 cup. Or it's 1/4. You're gonna grab 1 cup of water. Or if you have 2/3 of water, it's either 2/4 or 2/3. It's okay, whichever one you want. If you have 2/3 to 2/4 thingy, that's fine. But if you don't, use a cup and then use wait. Yeah, it's 1/4, I think. Just use 1 cup and then the other, like 1/3 and 1/4. I'm gonna do 1/4 and 1 cup. You could use milk or water. I'm gonna personally use water. And I'm sorry if like a lot of things I'm saying make literally no sense, but I'm not very good at explaining, and I have 0 patience. So okay. You're just gonna, and then you're gonna stir up the stuff. Stir up the oatmeal. Right now the pizza's looking pretty good. I can see the crust. Okay, I'm just gonna keep mixing. Okay, done mixing. And now you're gonna put it into the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. I always do 2 minutes, just in case. You never know. So let me just move all of this stuff. The kitchen is a mess right now. Oh no, I almost dropped something. Anyway, okay. Put it in for 2 minutes. And while you're doing that, you could also start cutting up apples. So you're just gonna grab an apple. And then you're just gonna cut it up. Oh, wash it first. Cut it up. Okay, down. Then you're just going to put it up into little pieces. And I repeat, little pieces. I'm going to come back to you guys when I'm done cutting everything up because this is going to take too long. Okay, I'm done cutting it up and then you're going to grab a microwave safe cup or just another bowl. I don't have another bowl right now. I'm using them up right now. So just going to put all of your apples in the cup or bowl, whatever you please. a lot of apples. Okay. And then you're gonna grab some cinnamon. Oh yeah, by the way, the oatmeal is done. I'm just gonna check up on it. There's a few seconds left for the pizza. But yeah. Okay, so you're just gonna sprinkle the cinnamon on top of the apples. Not too much and not too little. And you're gonna mix it in. Bam, and then you're gonna open it up. I think I'm gonna let the oatmeal sit for another one. I'm gonna let it cook for another minute. But if yours is good, you could leave it. Okay. So we're still gonna do cinnamon, so just put that to the side. The pizza, however, is done, and I'm scared to get it because I don't want it to break apart. But I have to get it, so. Yippee! Great for me. Beautiful for me, honestly. Like, I'm so happy, I swear. Okay, I'm just waiting for the oatmeal to cook. Okay, it's done cooking. Oh, okay. It's a pretty good texture. Yeah, okay, now you're gonna put the apples in order. 2 minutes. Okay, now here comes the scary part. Taking out the pizza. Woo. I'm scared. I know. Okay. I'm literally praying. I'm shaking and quaking. Okay. Ooh. That looks pretty darn good. Okay. Okay, me. You did a good job. I'm proud of you. So we're just gonna take this out. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. I felt the heat of the pizza, and that scared me. It didn't scare me, just bothered me. Oh my god. Okay. I'll see you guys when the apples are done because I need a break from this mask. So, see you in a second. The apples are done. Yeah, so now we could put them in the, actually no. So you're gonna sprinkle on some cinnamon onto the oatmeal. Let me show you how my oatmeal looks right now. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hold on. Oh. Do you see it? I don't know if you see it, but if you don't, I'm sorry. I'm learning still. So. Oh my god, why is it upside down? I'm upside down now. Yay. Okay. So then you're just gonna mix up the cinnamon with the oatmeal. So today is Sunday. So this video will most likely be coming out on Monday. So by the time you're seeing this, it's Monday. And I'm so sorry that like usually it's kind of been me. It's because sometimes I get bored and I just want to record alone. Not like record alone, like I just get bored and I don't really want to bother Astra. So I'm just like fix and record by myself. Okay, so we're just gonna let everything cool down a little because it's a little heated right now. So I'm gonna let that cool down. We're gonna put everything away because yes. Okay, so I'm gonna clean up and I'll see you in a second. Oh my god! Wait. Okay, so I think I'm ready to cut up the pizza. It's definitely warm enough, I think, to touch. So just gonna feel it already. Oh, okay. There's a minor hole in the pizza, but it's okay. I hope your pizza turned out better than what just happened to mine. Oh god. Oh no. Okay. Alright. I want to eat this cheese, but I can't take my plate. Ha! I put it under my mask. Okay. So, in the end, my pizza is a little messed up. But you know what? It's the thought that counts, you know? So let me show you the pizza. Can you see it? Can you see it? I just realized I wasn't recording, but I've already plated everything. Yeah. Pizza looks really good. So yeah. That's basically it for today's video. Yeah, I'll see you guys on, I think, Wednesday. Most likely we will not be posting on Wednesdays, or maybe it's just not going to be me. I'm not going to be in the video on Wednesdays, maybe. I'll just ask Astra to make her own video and post, because I have after school and dance and then homework. So yeah, you could already see the situation there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Bye, Soul.